Hello everyone, today we will be painting this beautiful and dazzling fireworks painting in simple 4 steps. Now let's get started. These are the materials we need to paint this beautiful painting. In step 1 we are going to paint the beautiful glowing sky. So here we are going to apply the color brilliant red in the center. Since we are painting a beautiful sky filled with fireworks, so we are going to add more bright colors. So now let's take the color carmine and we are going to apply the color around this brilliant red. We are going to paint the fireworks later. So first we are going to paint the glowing effect. So now let's take the color purple and I'm going to blend the color purple with carmine. And we are going to apply the color in the bottom of the canvas as well. Now let's take the color cobalt blue and apply the color in the bottom of the canvas like this, and now we are going to blend all the colors together to have a beautiful glowing sky. In step 2 we will be painting the dazzling firework in the center of the canvas. Mix orange and yellow to paint the big flashes in the center. So first we are going to just apply the color like this. Now take a liner brush and draw the rays of light. You can use your detailing brush or the tip of your round brush to add the lines. In this firework painting, we are going to add more rays of light to form the circle shape. We can paint the dazzling fireworks in a simple step by adding more layers. So this is the first layer. In the second layer, we are going to add more yellow. So now let's take the color yellow and we are going to apply the color on the top of this, and then we are going to add more rays of light in the color yellow. Again we are going to add the circle shape around this splash of light. I just increased my speed in this painting. Actually it took me lots of time to finish these layers, but I thoroughly enjoyed the process. So please make sure to enjoy the process because the process is more important than the destination. Now let's paint the sparkles in this firework painting. It is really easy to add the sparkle. All we need to do is take some yellow color and we are going to put some random small dots in this rays of light. And in the end we will get a beautiful effect of sparkles in our firework painting. Now let's mix more white to this yellow to have this light shade of yellow, and we are going to use this light color for the third layer. I just added bright flashes and now I am painting the rays of light using this light shade of yellow. Following this, I am going to add more sparkles again. In the final step, we are going to use the color white, and now you can see I just painted the bright splashes. Now let's add more rays of light using the color white. This time I am adding the rays of light very smaller than earlier. And don't forget to add the sparkles in white. Now the beautiful firework is almost ready. And now let's take the color yellow and we are going to draw some big circles. And you can see I am using my liner brush to paint the circle. Once we finish painting them, we have to let it dry. Then we can take the color white and add some white dots in the center of the yellow circle here. In third step, we are going to paint some small fireworks. So first just take the color red and we are painting some circle shape here. Now we are going to add more small dots to paint the small firework. This time we are going to add more fireworks in our painting, but we don't need to add more details here. To paint this, take your liner or round brush and we are going to add some small random dots to form a circle shape. Now let's take the color to add another layer of circles. I don't know how time flies very fast while watching the fireworks in the night sky. I really like to watch the fireworks. So if you are someone who really enjoys watching night sky and fireworks, then you will definitely like this painting. In this painting, you can see a step-by-step explanation to paint the beautiful fireworks. If you are really interested in painting fireworks painting, then don't miss this painting. Now let's mix yellow and white, and we are going to add one more layer. And now let's take the color and we are going to add some small circles. Now let's use the same color to paint the rays of light in the small firework. Now it's time to paint the bright flashes and rays of light in the color orange, and we are going to repeat the process again. Actually, it took me 5 hours to finish this painting because I put all my attention and focus in each brushstrokes in this firework painting. Now let's mix the color orange and yellow, and we are going to add the second layer. In the third layer, we are going to use the color yellow for the bright flashes and rays of light. In the final step, let's use the color white. In the final step, we will be painting the window and the girl and dog. So first we are going to start with the window, and you can take your tape and just stick it like this. So in this way we will get a beautiful and fine lines. Just leave it dry, then take the color red and we are going to add the color here. From the fireworks we will get some light effect and that will fall on the window frame. So we are painting the light effects in the color red, and then we are going to use the color orange. Now I am going to do my favorite task, that is removing the tape. It is actually very therapeutic to see. Now just apply the color black in the bottom of the canvas, and then we are going to paint the figures. You can get the image link in the description. Now let's fill the color black in this girl and dog painting. Here I am using my round brush. You can use your detailing brush to fill the color. Once we finish applying the color, then we should leave it dry. If you are someone who really likes to paint lamp, fireworks and fire, then you will enjoy this playlist. In this playlist you can see different types of painting with a step-by-step explanation. So don't miss your chance to enjoy and learn from this painting playlist. Now we are going to paint the light effects on the girl and on the dog. So first we are going to apply the color red, and we are following the same step we have used in the window frame. If you are new to my page, let's consider this an official welcome. I am Roxana. I am an acrylic painting artist. I love to share my knowledge here. If you are someone who really enjoy my content, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my other social media platforms to know all the regular updates about my paintings. Now let's take the color yellow to add the final magic in our painting. Adding this yellow creates a beautiful glowing effect in our painting, and in the final step we are adding this yellow color. So here I am using my liner brush to add the line. We have to add this line very skinny and narrow, so you can use your detailing brush or the tip of your round brush. I wish everyone to have a happy and safe Diwali. Now let's see the final look. I really enjoy the process. Please let me know your thoughts about this painting in the comment section. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step explanation in my next video. Until then, have fun with colors.